Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I'm truly, if this is the first time if you're stepping by, you're welcome, and all subscribers you're also welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made these plantain chips here. And first and first, you'll be needing a green plantain. The greener the plantains, the better the chips. So I actually made use of the short plantains here in China. So let's peel the back of the plantain. I'll be making use of a kitchen knife to peel. And also the slice, I'll be making use of a potato peeler. I want a thin slice. To avoid the difficulty of peeling unripe plantains, you can soak this in warm water for like 5 minutes. It relieves the skin from the main plantain and gives you an easier job. So I'm going to be showing you 3 methods of achieving your 10 slices for the plantain chips. So the first method is to use a potato peeler. This gives a more thin slice, like it gives this crispy result. So if you don't have a potato peeler, you can also make use of a chopping board and your knife, but make sure you cut them as thin as possible. So in a situation where you don't have a chopping board, you can also make use of your hand, but you have to be very careful to avoid being cut. Fry till they are very crispy or to your satisfaction. So to avoid something like this, I would advise you to drop your plantain slices one by one. It prevents them from clustering together. When they cluster together, they form something like this and it doesn't taste nice at all. So at this point, we can probably say our plantain chips are ready and it looks so good. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy most of my other videos. You can check them out. And also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed and leave me with a thumbs up. So see you next time and bye.